Welcome back to Car Culture Club. I'm so glad to have you here once again, and today's journey is going to be something very special. Usually on this channel, we explore cars, engines, modifications, and the unique culture of vehicles here in Thailand, but today we are going to take the passion for machines and speed up into the sky. Yes, we are talking about Hawaii Jahaz, or in English, the airplane. Airplanes have changed the way people travel, connect, and dream about the world. And just like cars, airplanes represent power, design, and innovation, only on a much larger scale. So, buckle up because today's story is going to take you on an exciting ride into the history, science, and experience of Hawaii Jahaz. Think about it. Not too long ago, traveling from one country to another would take weeks by ship. Even traveling across the land on horse or by car would take days. But today, if you want to go from Bangkok to London, you can do it in less than 12 hours. That is the magic of the airplane. For us here in Thailand, airplanes are not just a mode of transportation, but also a symbol of connection to the world. Whether it's Thai Airways taking our culture and hospitality across the globe, or tourists arriving every day to explore Bangkok, Phuket, or Chiang Mai, airplanes make it possible. But how did this journey begin? The dream of flying is as old as humanity. People watched birds soar in the sky and wished they could do the same. Many inventors tried, and many failed, but the real breakthrough came in 1903 when the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, successfully flew the first powered airplane. That flight only lasted for 12 seconds, but it changed the course of history forever. From that small beginning, airplanes grew bigger, stronger, and faster. Today, some airplanes can carry hundreds of passengers across oceans, while others, like fighter jets, can reach incredible speeds and perform maneuvers that leave us speechless. Now, let's talk about what makes a Hawaii Jahaz so special. At its core, it is a machine designed to fight against gravity. Cars roll on roads, but planes have to lift off into the sky. This is possible because of the design of the wings. The curved shape allows air to move faster above the wing and slower below it, creating lift. Combine that with powerful engines, and you have the ability to fly thousands of kilometers at amazing speeds. Inside the airplane, the experience is just as fascinating. Think about the cabin design, the seats, the windows that let you see the clouds outside, and the cockpit where highly trained pilots control every detail of the flight. It is like a blend of science, art, and comfort. For Thai audiences, one of the most beautiful experiences is taking a domestic flight across the country and looking down at the green landscapes, golden temples, and blue seas from above. It makes you feel proud of the natural beauty of Thailand. But airplanes are not only about travel. They also play a role in national defense, trade, and even emergency situations. During natural disasters like floods or earthquakes, airplanes bring food, medicine, and rescue teams quickly. In business, airplanes allow goods to be shipped fast, connecting Thai products like fruits, seafood, and technology with markets around the world. Imagine how limited our world would be without airplanes. Another aspect we cannot ignore is the thrill and adventure connected with airplanes. Just like car enthusiasts love speed and power, aviation enthusiasts love the sound of jet engines, the sight of a plane taking off, and the feeling of flying above the clouds. There is also a big community of aviation lovers in Thailand who go to air shows, spot airplanes near airports, and even build small model aircraft for fun. It shows that machines, whether on the road or in the sky, always capture our imagination. Let's also look at how airplane design has evolved over the years. Early planes were made of wood and fabric. Today, they are made of lightweight but strong materials like carbon fiber and aluminum. Cockpits have gone from simple controls to highly advanced digital systems with computer screens and autopilot features. Engines have become more efficient, allowing planes to fly longer distances while using less fuel. And now, new technology is looking at electric airplanes and even supersonic jets that can cut travel time in half. The future of flying is just as exciting as the first flight was more than 100 years ago. In Thailand, Suvarnabhumi Airport and Don Mueang Airport in Bangkok are among the busiest in Southeast Asia. Every day, thousands of flights connect Thailand to the rest of the world. For travelers, stepping into an airplane is often the first step to a new adventure. For Thai people, it is a reminder that our country is part of a bigger global family. From business to tourism to culture, airplanes are a bridge between nations. But flying is not just about machines, it's also about people. Pilots go through years of training to control airplanes with skill and precision. Flight attendants ensure comfort and safety for every passenger. Engineers and mechanics work behind the scenes to make sure the airplane is ready for every journey. Just like in car culture, where mechanics, drivers, and designers all play a role, in aviation, it's a team effort that makes flying possible. Of course, no story about airplanes is complete without mentioning the experience of the passenger. From the moment you check in, pass security, and board the plane, there is a sense of excitement. As the plane speeds down the runway and lifts off, your heart beats faster. Looking out the window and seeing the land shrink below you is a feeling that never gets old. And when you are above the clouds, it feels like you are in another world. For many people in Thailand, their first airplane trip is one of the most memorable experiences of their lives. We should also remember that airplanes have challenges too. They require careful maintenance, strict safety rules, and a lot of responsibility from the crew. Environmental issues are also becoming more important, as airplanes contribute to carbon emissions. But technology is working on greener solutions, like biofuels and electric planes, to make flying more sustainable in the future. So, what can we take away from the story of Hawaii Jahaz? It is more than just a machine. It represents human dreams, innovation, and the desire to go beyond limits. Just like cars have transformed our lives on the road, airplanes have transformed our lives in the sky. For us here in Thailand, airplanes bring opportunities, connections, and pride. Next time you see a Hawaii Jahaz flying above, take a moment to think about how amazing it is. From the Wright brothers' first flight to the giant aircraft we see today, it is a story of progress, passion, and courage. And who knows, maybe the future will bring us flying cars, where the culture of automobiles and airplanes finally comes together. That's all for today's journey into the world of airplanes. I hope you enjoyed this ride with Car Culture Club. If you love machines, whether on the ground or in the sky, make sure to stay tuned, because we always bring you stories that inspire and connect with your passion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments about your first airplane experience or your dream destination to fly to. Until next time, keep your engines running and your dreams flying high. This script is around 1,000 words and written in a storytelling style for your Thai audience. Would you like me to make it a bit more Thailand specific by adding famous Thai airplanes, airshows, or Thai Airways history?